If your Chefman RJ11-17-TI electric kettle stops heating, shuts off unexpectedly, or fails to power on, the issue is often related to the safety protection system or a temporary electrical glitch. Electric kettles include automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection features that stop operation when the unit senses overheating or low water levels. While these protections help prevent damage, they can sometimes leave the kettle unresponsive until it is properly reset. Fortunately, a quick inspection and reset process can usually restore normal operation in just a few minutes. Try these. Step 1. Unplug the kettle from the power outlet and remove it from the base. Step 2. Allow the kettle to cool down completely for about 5 minutes if it overheated. Step 3. Check the interior heating plate and lid area for mineral buildup or debris and clean if necessary. Step 4. Refill the kettle with fresh water above the minimum fill line and place it back on the base securely. Step 5. Plug the kettle back in and press the power switch to confirm it heats normally again.